Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm in Sydney, Australia at the head office of Payam Data Recovery, one of the country's most experienced data recovery labs. I'm here to meet Payam Tulu, the owner, who's been recovering data professionally since 1998 with labs in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. He's invited me behind the scenes to walk through a real RAID case that landed on his desk today, from initial diagnosis through to a fully recovered drive returned to the client. The drives belong to Fernando, who runs a commercial property management business in Gladesville, New South Wales. Two Western Digital 3TB drives configured as a RAID 0 array that powered his entire office network. One held all the staff documents and user folders, the other held the business database and CRM records. The last backup was over 5 years old, and another data recovery company had already had the drives for 3 weeks, returning partial data, empty folders and corrupted files. Fernando came to Payam hoping for a better result. After loading them into his workstation and opening UFS Explorer, he spotted a 5.6 terabyte RAID 0 striped volume across the pair. In a RAID 0 array, every file is split between 2 drives, so neither disk holds complete files on its own. You need both working together to read anything at all. But 2 hours in, the files were saving far too slowly. He stopped immediately and moved the drives to his Etola Insight forensic unit. One drive failed its smart health check, showing read errors and reading 20% below normal speed. These were cheap entry-level drives, never built for server work, simply worn out and starting to fail. Pushing on would have meant missing data and corrupted files, exactly what Fernando had received the first time. Instead, Payam moved both drives to his DeepSpar disk images and produced full hardware clones, 100% imaged with no skipped sectors. He repeated the recovery on the clones, and this time everything came back cleanly. Over 3 terabytes of data, 50,000 documents, 20,000 photos and 80,000 more critical business files, all recovered in good working condition. From start to finish, 24 hours. As Payam likes to tell stressed customers, your problem is now my problem, and we'll get you out of the jam. This is another successful case study from Payam Data Recovery. Their team handles RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5, RAID 6, RAID 10, NAS units and enterprise servers from every major brand. If you have a RAID, NAS or server data loss situation, no matter how big or small, they offer a free assessment and quote, with labs across Australia and international customers welcome too. Contact Payam Data Recovery for a free assessment and quote.